My best friends and images of the God, a great news for those who are interested in jobs and apprentices. The Central Bank of India has announced engagement of apprentices. Total number of seats 4,500, 1 year training, every month stipend is 15,000. Online date of registration started from 7th June 2025 from yesterday. The last date 23rd June 2025. Online examination will be in first week of July. Eligibility age 20 to 28 years, education graduation. The online examination will comprise of quantitative aptitude 15 questions 15 marks, logical reasoning 15 questions 15 marks, computer 15 questions 15 marks, English 15 questions 15 marks, basic retail products 10 question 10 marks, basic asset retail products 10 question 10 marks, basic investment products 10 question 10 marks, basic insurance products 10 question 10 marks, total 100 questions and 100 marks. Duration of the examination is 60 minutes. Medium of test is English as well as Hindi. No negative marking. The great thing is no negative marking. Next, online registration can be done on NATS portal. NATS, nats.education.gov.in. I am repeating nats.education.gov.in. My best friends, whoever are interested for apprentice, please apply. Monthly stipend 15,000 and 23rd is the last date. After this apprentice, you will be employed in very many banks. Congratulations. Thank you, best friends. Thank you, images of the God.